G'day guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to install the new window switch on the G8 GT. My model is an 09 and unfortunately I broke the passenger switch and then broke the driver switch trying to fix the passenger switch. So anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so here's the two switches I broke. And I'll spin it around and then you can see they were right here. So basically what we need to do is pry up this part of the console, and this has come with us with it, and then we have our new switch right there. So basically it's going to go in there. I got the black one because the black matches that better than the grey, so you see there. Alrighty, well let's pry this up and I'll show you what this looks like when it's pried up. So here's a couple pry tools. So we're just basically going to stick these under these gaps here and just pry this one piece up. So super easy. That pries up and you can see the underside of the window switch right there. You got the two plugs right there. So basically we're just going to pop this out, and then when we pop that out we can pop the new one in. Alright, new one's popped in. Like, this is a super simple thing to do. Like, it's literally taking a couple minutes. You'll see the old one, there's just these little locator clips. If you just flex the frame like this part right here, it will pop out really easy. So there's it. So let's get it plugged in and see how she goes. New one is plugged in, so let's turn on the keys, see how we go. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Alright guys, like I said, super easy. It took me about 3 minutes to do it, but yeah, finished result. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in today and checking this out. It's super easy. All you need, like I said, a couple of these and then flex the frame and it'll pop straight out. But like I said, I got the darker one to match this part. This is the grey, so you can see the dark one looks way better in there. Anyway, super easy. Appreciate ya. Thanks guys for tuning in. If you like the content, give it a like. If you like it that much, hit the subscribe button, because there'll always be more tips and stuff to come. Maybe some more skids too. But I appreciate you guys. Peace. I wanted to show you guys my other car. Yeah, let's have a look at the 350.